Peace be unto you and your family. 11th Chemistry Refresher Course Model, Unit 3, Periodic Classification of Elements, and in this video we are going to discuss about the answer key for Unit 3, Students Activity and Assessment. First, Students Activity 1. Classify any 5 daily using object into metals, non-metals and metalloid. First, metal, copper, electric wire, statue and coins. In all these, copper metal is used. And gold and silver. We are using gold and silver in jewelers, and silver under the name silver nitrate used in photography. Mercury used in thermometer. Aluminium used in aeroplane and rockets. Non-metals used in our daily life is graphite used in pencil, phosphorus used in matchbox, metalloid, boron, arsenic are used as a metalloid. Find out alloys which are using in our home and report what are the all metals present in those alloys. Stainless steel, nickel, chromium, steel means iron and carbon. Bronze is a mixture of copper and tin. Brass is a mixture of copper and zinc. Come to the assessment part of periodic classification of element. Assessment. Differentiate metals and non-metals. Metals are generally in solid state. Example of liquid metals are mercury and gallium. And non-metals, they are in solid, liquid and gaseous state. Halogens, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. In that halogens, iodine is a sublimed solid. Bromine is a liquid non-metal. And fluorine and chlorine are gaseous non-metal. Point number 2, metals are malleable. What is meant by malleable? Metals can be beaten into thin sheet. Non-metals are not malleable. Metals are ductile. Ductile means metals can be torn into thin wire. Non-metals are not ductile. All metals are lustrous. Lustrous is due to the presence of the outermost electron. Generally, metals are having 1 or 2 electrons in the outermost shell. Due to that, all metals are lustrous in nature. Non-metals are not lustrous. Metals have high freezing point, and non-metal they are having low freezing point. Metals, in between atoms and ions, a strong force is present in a metal, therefore they are having high boiling point. Non-metal, they are having low boiling point. All metals have high density. The atoms are more closely and tightly packed, therefore the metals are having high dense. Non-metals have low density. Come to the second assessment part. Write the properties of alloys. Alloys are mixtures of 2 or more metals. For example, brass, mixture of copper and zinc. Properties of alloy, they are harder than pure metal. They have less conductance than pure metals and they do not get corroded. These are the properties of alloy. Come to the third assessment part. Write a note on position of hydrogen in the periodic table. Position of hydrogen and rare gases in the periodic table, but we are going to discuss about the position of hydrogen. Hydrogen is the lightest, smallest and first element of the periodic table. It occupies a unique position in the periodic table. It loses 1 electron and behaves as alkali metals and readily accept an electron and behaves as a halogen. Hence, the position of hydrogen in the modern periodic table is still under debate as the properties of hydrogen are unique. but in modern periodic table is placed in first group above lithium. And my dear students, in this video we discussed about the answer key of unit 3 periodic classification of element, students activity and assessment. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you very much.